Coming up in Center Circle, defender Decoy Williams talks how stress forced him to take up partying after a setback in the US Major League. Uphill task for local-based players to force their way into the Reggae Girls World Cup squad. And Earl Bailey stops by to sum up the Red Stripe Premier League. When Decoy Williams was signed by Toronto FC in 2011, the defender saw it as a life-changing experience. The 32-year-old sat down with Center Circle to talk about a career which was about to hit the heights when he joined the US Major League club.
I went to play a game for the national team in El Salvador and got a call that I was supposed to go on a trials with a team in Canada, in Toronto FC. I didn't know much about the team because I never watched MLS. It wasn't my league to watch. I wasn't interested in watching the MLS. So I was so elated and so excited to go on the trials. And I went there on the trials and they said that at first they really liked me, but they didn't have any international spots. So I come back to Harborview knowing that that's my first time going on the trials, and it was kind of stressful because I do what I need to do. Train hard, see my talent, and knowing the fact that them tell me that them really like me, I want to sign them, but only that the international spot was limited. That even stressed me more because I say, what else I can do? Then a few weeks later, one of the players get injured, and they call me back, sign me right away. Got across the border from US to Canada the same day. I don't know the coach, I don't know nobody, just gone to the change room and I see my name in a t-shirt. Nobody asked me which number, I don't know nobody. I see me start, get man of the match. I say, yo, I don't know the players. But you know, football is universal. Once you're out on the field, you need to know who is who or whatever. When the game done, I just put that in their mind, say, I just go play some ball. Because even if I lose, them can't blame me. Because I come from how much miles away, so they must can say, if I don't play at best, they must can sue with me. And I just go out there and play and enjoy the game and get man of the match, clean sheet. And history was just there from then, and the coach just really take on to me. A couple games after, the coach I set example, be like Decoy Williams. I say, if you play where I come from Dannyville, and me you see them man where them big stadium and everything when them get for the coach, I set example for me was a proud moment. So I reach a training the next day. Everybody want to know who me is. Reaching reporters, who's this defender? Because he win all them tackles, every challenge he make. So he as a baller, once you go in even Jamaica, once you go on a trials for your team or whatever, once them see your touches or them see where you in there, where you can do this ball, everybody start take on to you. Everybody want to be a friend. So when we reach in, man just start, yo, heal. Everybody just start make me feel like I'm there at home, like I'm there from 2 years ago.
His performance at Toronto was enough to get him a call-up to the national team for the 2012 Gold Cup, but his joy soon turned to despair.
And him to say, my training really improved, my fitness improved, technical awareness, everything improved. Training with the MLS team, straight away I'm in the starting team. I mean, play the first game I won. The second game, I see myself start. After 10 minutes, there was a collision with a striker. I think we were playing Guatemala. And you know, we just wake up in a hospital. Can't walk, I can't do nothing. I don't remember nothing at all after 10 minutes. So in the mirror MRI, I'm going to do it. I say I tear my ACL and my MCL. And I might can't play for the rest of my life again. here comes the next stress. Because I say, this is my career, just a peak off, and then this got me. You know what I mean? So.
And some stressful moments would follow.
It was so stressing for me at the time and so hard for me at the time. Me have to drink, eat a whole heap of food because me alone live in my apartment. After I go through the training, do my therapy, reach back at my house, I just start stress. Because here comes a little youth from Jamaica get a break and then this come up between. My mind start going into some deeper thoughts than even I need to expect. Way deep because I say, yo, this is my opportunity to buy a house and make my mother happy and you know, my mind I go all over the place.
So depression set in there?
Yeah, I was depressed, really depressed about the situation. That's why sometimes even now people kind of have me as somebody who like party, but sometimes it's just the fact that they won't even understand say it kind of saved me in a way. You know what I mean? Because without having to take that route there, I'd probably be a madman or probably honestly do some crazy things.
In 2016, national coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore handed him another call-up, but after a couple of matches, he was out again.
It's sadly to see sometime, I mean, you start something and you see it on the TV and you know it's safe for dead. Because all of the guys that's playing, me and them are friends, we and them grew up playing. I'm kind of older than some of them. Most of them really look up to me and respect me and know some. It's dead for me. I never take the opportunity at the time. I mean, it all come down back again sometime, the partying thing. But I mean, we still have hopes that we can be back in a national team. I mean, once we played and once we do what we need to do.
Many felt that a lack of speed has also worked against Williams.
People always say it, but I never put myself in a state where if a man's speed, it's a problem to me. Honestly, it's even more, to me, it's more easier for me to mark somebody with speed because at least I know what I'm going to do. I mean, once you can read the game and you have the experience, it's more easier for you as a player. Because when you come with, you probably face that 2-3 times already in your career already. So it's more knowledgeable for read the game. But speed as most defenders, it's funny because if you're fast as a defender, you probably can't read the game or you don't have the knowledge. And if you're slow, you can't get a full package. There's only one defender I see in this world who can say, yeah, him have that package, and it's Veron.
And not playing for the national team does hurt.
When you're on a platform stage, playing international-wise, a lot of scouts come out to games. I mean, one phone call or somebody seen it can change your whole entire life. So me not getting that opportunity sometimes kind of heartbreaking to see that there's opportunity and a lot of opportunity there. And when I dip on the platform or the stage, the big moment, forget the eyes on me. But sometimes we just leave it up to Father God and just say one day, if it happen, it happen.
Williams started his playing career at Santos after being discovered by Carlton Spanner Dennis at age 8.
From grade 4, I always tell him to come down at Santos. One day I made the journey down there, train with them, was impressed with me. Actually, at 4th grade, I play under 13, play under 15 in 4th grade. So I would say Carlton Dennis was the one that discovered me and believed in me and always tried to push me to play